Hi folks, I'm Cherry. I'm the founder of Claribase. We are an Airtable Gold partner and have been part of the partner platform for a really long time. Today I'm actually going to show you a demo of a database that will help you organize higher level education seminars. So at universities, different faculties will often have symposiums throughout the year or seminars where they bring researchers from other schools, and this is a way to help us plan those events and manage those speakers. So this is a small event management database. Okay, so I am going to go to the backend and just share some context around the event organization piece itself. Okay, so I'm going to go to the backend here, and across the tables we have the seminars, which are different records where I have the different sessions or the seminars that are happening. And then we have the potential speakers, which is a really large list of speakers that you can capture for just safekeeping. You might have all these researchers that you're interested in keeping tabs on. Maybe they're up and coming, maybe they're previous researchers, maybe they're faculty who have moved, or maybe they're PhD students who are now doing postdocs at other schools and might be able to come back and speak at these seminars. So you're just keeping a list of researchers. Sometimes this could be a list of hundreds, sometimes thousands of people. All right, so one cool thing that I want to highlight is this research topics. This is an AI agent field where I've given it instructions to tell me the most popular topics this researcher has focused on. You can ask it to tell you the most recent topics, or maybe you have two fields, one for most popular topics that they are well known for, or maybe you want to keep up to date on their current research, so you might ask the AI agent fields inside of Airtable to tell you to go online and search and tell you the most recent topics that they've worked on maybe in the last year and have published new research. Okay. All right. And then once you have that set up, this AI agent can just go search the web and find the information that you want, which is super, super helpful, because right now, if you wanted this kind of list, you'd have to have someone manually search for this kind of thing on the web or go on ChatGPT, but it's just so much easier to just click a button. All right, moving on, we have onboarded speakers as well. And these are folks who have agreed to come to the seminar, and they will send you their headshot, they'll send you their biography, and you actually have automations in here as well. Very often when we're planning events, we want the potential speakers to get an automated email saying, hey, please fill out this customized form so that you can upload your bio, most recent bio and most recent image, or the image that you want us to use as part of planning this event. You might want to send them some handoff emails. If you have different people planning different parts of the event, you might want the different seminar speakers to get to know each other, so you might want to send them an introduction. All right, and then we have interfaces where I'm just going to launch this. So we can have a seminars calendar. So over here, I can see the Thursday and Friday, what seminars are happening on those 2 days. And then we also have a speaker gallery of all the people who have confirmed. And then we have a potential speakers overview. So over here, this is really nice because you can actually filter different people by have they responded, or are you reaching out to them? Maybe they rejected. Maybe they rejected the opportunity because they're double booked. So you can see all of that information, which is also really helpful. And then this is, for example, one of the automation fields where if the speaker responds and you want to send them the onboarding form where they send you all their confirmed updated information that they want you to share, you can send them this onboarding form by checking the checkbox. Okay, and then last but not least, this reimbursement dashboard where you can see all the different reimbursements that have been requested and amounts that were reimbursed. You can also see the reimbursements by category, and I love the Airtable pivot tables because once you actually click into this pivot table, you can see the underlying record that is this particular flight, which is $1,500, and then as more and more expenses are created or submitted by the different speakers, you can actually see them in this reimbursed section or the pending section. Once you click into each one, you'll see maybe 5 or 10 different records of dining expenses that need to be reimbursed. And this is really helpful as well because, I didn't show the field, but back in Airtable, in the data layer, you can actually submit the receipts themselves as well. So if someone takes a photo of the receipt from their phone, you can also save that.